パパパパパパパパパパパパドクターストレンジの次。I'm closing my eyes. Calli. That is the name that I stopped on. Oh my gosh. That's like the hardest one. I don't think I can do Calli impression at all. Yeah, she has a deep voice, so I have to get down there. How do I do a deep voice? Like, I have to calibrate with Ada. It's the only way. Ada. But that's not Calli's voice. Gah. Help! I only have one deep voice and that's it. That's the only deep voice I can do. Howdy, I'm the sheriff. That's not Calli at all! Help! Help! Gah. Howdy, partner. It's not Calli. I don't think I can do Calli. I told you I only have one deep voice, and what do we even need? I guess a 1-up because we died. Okay, that's not a 1-up. Yeehaw, partner.